Hi friends, today I'll show you an incredibly interesting tool for making money in the crypto markets. Right from the start, I'll say this: I'm genuinely impressed by the functionality they offer. And today we won't just talk, we'll actually test it live. We'll jump into the TRON network and launch arbitrage. Want to see how the bot executes trades, how everything works under the hood, and what features the interface has? Stick around until the end. It's going to be fire. So, here it is. The AI Arbitrage Bot. This is a global arbitrage platform with support for multiple networks: TRON, Ethereum, Solana. Their key promise is automated arbitrage trading, flash loan arbitrage, with low fees, high speed, and slippage protection. They claim numbers like 96% success rate, execution in just a few seconds, multi-chain support, etc. And today I want to show you the TRON option because here fees and execution time are often more attractive compared to Ethereum. Let's switch right now to TRON mode. On the TRON page I see low fees, average execution time to 3.2 seconds, success rate 96.1%. I click Launch TRON Bot. The platform starts preparing the connection and checking the conditions. Important note, before connecting your wallet, make sure you have enough funds to cover transaction fees. While the bot is scanning and preparing, let's quickly review what else is on the site so you know where to click and what to expect. 1. About general description, goals, mission, advantages. 2. Features: multi-chain, TRON, Ethereum, Solana. Choose the network you prefer. Auto-optimization: the bot automatically adjusts gas, slippage, and trade size. Multi-dex support: the ability to work across different decentralized exchanges. Alright, now let's leave the bot running and I'll speed up the footage for you. Perfect. The bot finished the process. We can see tracking, profits, and statistics. Here it is. Transaction history, profit, successful trades, everything is displayed transparently. On the Analytics tab, you can trace how the bot worked, which pairs, how much profit was made, and what fees were paid. To sum up, this project offers a powerful arbitrage tool with multi-chain support, automation, analytics, and a clean interface. What's especially interesting is that even a beginner can connect their wallet, choose a network, launch the bot, and start earning without constant manual monitoring. Pros: Multi-chain support and low fees, especially on TRON. Automatic trade optimization, transparent stats and interface, support and documentation, audits, security, and strong safety claims. If you want, I can leave a link in the description so you can check the project out yourself. Well, friends, if you found this interesting, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss future tests in other networks, Ethereum, Solana. And let me know in the comments, do you want me to test with larger amounts or compare this with similar bots? Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. And may arbitrage work